in the class next semester, okay? So, my next performance is my little kids, and these guys are just full of energy. They are bubbling and bursting with just Bollywood energy all throughout. Some of these kids were in the class last year. Some of them have just joined recently. So they are of all different age groups. They are of all different levels of experience. But they truly, the one thing they share is their passion for dance and passion for Bollywood. So that's why they're here today, and they want to show you what they've been working on since September. So let's give a big hand for my Bollywood Janakismare.
So pretty. Oh, there are a couple boys too. So many kids. One here and four in the high school. I don't think I can record.